Okay, I used to call this one the introductory phrase comma, but I think it's better to actually use the proper meta language. It's actually a prepositional phrase. So an introductory prepositional phrase comma is what I've adapted the name to. So when you start a sentence with a prepositional phrase, a when, where, or how phrase, you must separate it from the rest of the sentence with a comma. So a little bit like the subordinate clause comma, where we're having a comma separating the first bit of the sentence from the independent bit. Let's have a look at some examples. This makes sense. I think the key bit here is the when, where, or how. That's what a preposition is, or a prepositional phrase is. So here, let's look. They're always these ones are always at the beginning. They can be at the end as well, though, interestingly enough. In that case, it wouldn't be an introductory phrase, though. So on Friday, when is this happening? It's a when. So we put a comma. The class has the editing session. So what's our subject? Class has the editing, has, doing, being, or having, verb. So here's our predicate. Okay, let's give us information about the class. The class has its editing session. And it's prepositional. When does it happen? The prepositional phrase tells us the when on Friday. Now, let's look at our next one. At yelling at children, comma, everyone understands the importance of meta language. So here, at yelling at children, this is our prepositional phrase telling us, is it when, where, or how? It's where. Where is this sentence taking place? At yelling at children. Let's go again. Subject, everyone. There's our noun. Understands, there's our verb. Understands the importance of meta language. If we can't don't have the words to talk about stuff, how can we have good conversations about it? So this has to be our predicate. Understands the importance of language. Meta language is our predicate. Now, last one. With the passion of 1,000 hot suns. We've done a when and a where, so this is a how. This is a how prepositional introductory phrase. How. With the passion of 1,000 hot suns, he added yet another missed comma to the student's draft. So it gets tiring sometimes. But let's go through our process again. Let's see if this is an independent clause. He, subject. Where's our verb? Added. What does the predicate tell us about he? It tells us that he added yet another missed comma to the student's draft. There's our predicate. So here's our prepositional introductory phrase. How is he doing that? In what manner? With the passion of 1,000 hot suns. So this is our introductory phrase, comma, at the beginning. You notice we could actually put it at the end as well. He added yet another missed comma to the student's draft, comma, with the passion of 1,000 hot suns. Actually, I'm not sure if the comma would go there. I think it would. Okay. Introductory prepositional phrases.